जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो आज 25 तारीख हो गया है और 8 दिन बाकी है। पहला 3 तारीख में पहला प्री में। तो आज हम आरबी कल तो लाइव मॉक दिए थे हॉलीवुड का, तो इसमें मेरा 2 मॉक मेरा दोस्त लोग दे दिया है। तो इसमें आज ये मॉक नंबर 3 देने वाले हैं हम बूस्टर का। और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं न्यू पैटर्न पे ही है। न्यूमेरिकल 20 मिनट और रीजनिंग 25 मिनट। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है। नेट स्लो इतना हो रहा है। A man invested 5,000 for 6 months. At the end of the year, he gained 20% profit. On observing this, his friend invested 4 times as gain amount. 20% 1,000, 4 times 4,000. How long the businessman's friend invested so that the businessman and his friend would get a profit 5,000 for 6 months. 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 15 और ये 3 तो 15 3 तो ये 9 4.5 month. The ratio of percentage of A, B and C is 5:4:7. 8 years ago, the sum of the ages of A, B, C. 8 years ago ना, तो सम ऑफ द एजेस ऑफ ए बी सी मतलब 24 प्लस करेंगे तो 80, अभी 80 हो जाएगा। तो ये 9 16 16 बाई 5 After 12 years, the ratio of ages of B and D is 2:6, and the present age of 6 30 साल। ओहो आफ्टर 12 ईयर ना 20 32 32 तो 48। X-Men can do a piece of work in 50 days. X-Men can do a piece of work in 50 day working कितना X plus X-Men is equal to X plus 36. Women can do the same work in 14 day working for 10 hours per day. If the ratio of efficiency to men into 5 into 2, and find the value of X. 5 40 40 5 ये 2 X-Men is equal to 4 4x plus X is equal to 4x plus 36 into 4 3x is equal to x is equal to 12 48। 5x into 50 into 8 is equal to 2x x plus 36 into 2 into 40 into 10 400 400 5x is equal to 2x plus 72. 3x is equal to 3, 2, 4, 24. क्या किए रहे हम उस टाइम? If the radius of cylinder is equal to the radius of circle whose area is इतना pi r square is equal to 1386. ये तेरा हो जाए 120, 132 6 बार में और 3 बार में इंटू 27 इंटू 9, तो 7 इंटू 3. R is equal to 21. If the radius of cylinder is equal to the radius and the radius of cylinder is 5% more than that the height into 20, वा 138654. 24 का 4 2 हाथ में, 32 का 2 3 हाथ में, 24 का 4 2 हाथ में, 32 34 का 4 3 हाथ में, 12 15 का 5 1 हाथ में, 4 5 5 5 4 4. A traveling at a speed of इतना from Puri to Bhubaneswar and return from Bhubaneswar to Puri at a midnight. It took 7 hours. 6:8 speed. Time is equal to 7:, oh हो 6:8 मतलब 2:, अरे यार 3:4, तो 4:3, तो 1 का वैल्यू आ जाएगा तेरा 1. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन, तो 60 इंटू 240. बॉक्स करने इतना एंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सेलेक्टिंग अ रेड बॉल इज 1:5. मतलब ये तेरा 12 इज इक्वल टू 4 का वैल्यू है, तो 1 का वैल्यू 3. x इज इक्वल टू 3. If 3 balls are drawn at a random, find the probability that ball are not yellow ball. 3 5 8 8 इंटू 7 इंटू 6 बाई 15 इंटू 14 इंटू 13. 3 बार में तो 5 7 7 7 8 बाई 65. A boat covered a certain distance along a stream in itna hour and the same boat covered the same distance against the stream in itna hour. 66 150. 50 2 2. 25 11 अपस्ट्रीम डाउनस्ट्रीम. टाइम तो स्पीड हो जाएगा ये हो जाएगा डाउनस्ट्रीम, ये हो जाएगा अपस्ट्रीम, तो स्पीड हो जाएगा 25 11. इफ द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट इन स्टिल वाटर इज 18 36. 18 का 18 है. देन फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ 11. देन फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम 14 7. If 40% mixture is taken out, then the percentage of water in the mixture become X percentage of the resultant. 25% ही आएगा. Geeta invested for the next 4 tests. His average score increased by 50%. If he wants his average score to exactly be 30 after ये कितना 49 होता है ना, 70 का 49, 65, 42, 25, 66 का 6 आएगा, 67 इंटू 5, 335 by 60, 80, 2 by 41, 237 बचेगा 289 माइनस 361 और ये हो जाएगा 12 इंटू 7, तो ये हो जाएगा 11, 72, 12, 8, 9, 7 by 23, 3 बार में 69, 20, 7, 9 बार में 39 इंटू 72 by 78, 2, 36, 35, 42 इंटू 3, 21 इंटू 7, 7 और ये 14, 147 और 31, अरे यार 5 इंटू 6, 5 इंटू 6, 30, 25, तो ये हो जाएगा 56 माइनस तो 9, 91, 200 का, ये कितना है 121, 500 का 23% इंटू 5, 15 का 5 एक हाथ में 11, 115, 6 प्लस 169, 196, 14, 20 के आसपास. 38 इंटू 35, ये तेरा 280 का 0, 28 हाथ में 105, 133, 133 और 70, 77, 0, 1, 2, 210, 570, 24 इंटू 34 बाई 3, 8, 32 का 2, 3 हाथ में 27 माइनस 51 ओ बाई 51, 32 का 2, 3 हाथ में 24, 27 बाई 51। क्या हुआ बे? अरे यार 24 इंटू 3 है बाई 51 है, तो ये 2, ये 3, 3 3, तो 24 48। ये कितना है? इंटू नहीं 9 13 21 7 2 7 के बाद यहाँ कितना है? 17 4 8 1.2 2.2 138 गलत है। 5 9 13 16 और यहाँ पे 2 2 22 4 4 4 16 का जगह 17 होगा, 45 गलत है। 81 64 9 8 49 36 3 3 268 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 नहीं इंटू 2 प्लस 1 नहीं हो रहा। 6 12 20 7 28 35 22 37 6 8 10 22 15 37 इंटू 1 प्लस 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 1 इंटू अरे यार ये भी है प्लस माइनस 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 13 7 21 into 6 7 18 7 x plus 3y .8% JKM is sitting around a circular table such that some of them are facing inside while some of them are facing outside, but not more than two adjacent person face. If it is said A and B are facing same direction, both of them are either facing inside, it is said that they will circular. M sits second to the right of N. M sits second to the right of M sits second to the right of N. M sits second to the, and both of them were facing opposite direction. N sits opposite to P. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 1 2 3. N sits opposite to P. P who sits second to the left of O. P who sits second to the left of O. P who sits second to the left of O. Only two people sits between J and O. 1 2 J 1 2. Only two people sits between J and O when counted from the right of O. When counted from the right of O. O. Only two people sit between J and O when counted from the right of O. J and O when counted from the right of O. J and O when counted from the right of. Both J and P face same direction. Both J and P face same direction. J and P face same direction. Q face inside. Q face inside. Only three people sits between J and L. Only three people 1 2 3 J and L. 1 2 3. Only three people sits between J and L. L who sits second to the right of Q. L who sits second to the right of Q. And who sits second to the right of Q. Both K and Q face opposite direction. Both K and Q face opposite direction. The number of person facing outside is 2 more than the number of facing inside. Outside 5, inside 3. L does not face outside. L does not face outside. So L inside. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. Who among the following seats adjacent to Q? Adjacent to Q, N, O. If all persons are made seat alphabetical order in clockwise direction from J, मतलब left clockwise direction from J, then how many percent remain unchanged? J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Four of them are alike in certainly given. Find the MN, MN, OQ, JL, KQ, NJ. What is the position of K with respect to Q? K with respect to 1, 2, 3. Among the following persons is third to the left of P, third to the left of P, third to the right of P, 1, 2, J. The one who sits immediate left of K, the one who sits second to the right of O. हेलो हेलो
हाँ
बोला
मम्मी कहाँ दिया
हम थोड़ा देर में करता नहीं
दो काम
7% bought different quantity of food. B bought less quantity than G. B bought less quantity. B bought less quantity than G. G who bought more than C. B bought less quantity than G. G who bought more than C. G who bought more than C. D bought less quantity than C. D bought less quantity than C, but more than E. D bought less quantity than C, but more than E. Bought more than D and E. A bought more than D and E. A bought more than D and E. As many person bought more than A as bought less than F. More than A as bought less than. B bought more quantity than A. B bought more quantity than A. B bought more quantity than A. E, D, A, B. B bought more quantity than but less than F. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. E, D, F. C, G. The one who bought the sweet for the third highest and the third lowest bought 10 kg and 5 kg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. If F bought 3 kg more than B, B who bought 4 kg more than E, 3, then the quantity of sweet bought by D is 4 kg. If the sum of the quantity of A and D is 8 kg, if the sum of the quantity of A and D is 8 kg, and the difference between the quantity of food bought by C and D is 15, and the difference between the quantity of seed bought by C and D is इतना मतलब 18. Then what is the sum of the quantity of seed bought by C and A? C and A 18, 5, 23 kg. How many person bought more quantity of sweets than B? 1, 2, 3. 9% living in a 9-story building. Lowermost 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I live 4th floor above F. I live 1, 2, 3, 4th floor above F. F who live on a prime number floor. PRIME prime. F 1, 2, 3 I 1, 2, 3 I 1, 2, 3 I. Only 2 floor between I and H. 1, 2, H 1, 2, H I F H H. C live immediately above H. Only 3 person live between C and G. Only 3 person live between C and G. E live 3 floor below G. Only 3 person live between C and G. 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 C and G. 1, 2, 3 The number of floor between E and D. The number of floor between E and D is same as the number of floor below A. Which of the following statements true? G does not live above D. G does not live above D. गलत है. B live adjacent to E. गलत है. C live above A. ये right है. As many person live above D as below A. The one who live 2 floor below H. Find the odd one out. BF IC BF IC AH FC GE. GE में 2 जने. Dash live immediately below the one who live 4 floor above B. 1, 2, 3. C dash live immediately below H. The one who live 2 floor above A. How many person live between A and I? A and I 1, 2, 3, 4. As many B and E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some truth are trump. Some truth are trump. Every truth is good. Every truth is good. No good is well. Some well are harsh. Some harsh is not good. Some harsh is not good. Right? All trump can be well. All trump can be well. नहीं. No harsh is truth. No harsh is truth. Only one. Two and three don't follow. No tiger is parrot. Some parrot are peacock. Every peacock is P-E-I-G-O-N, pigeon. No, pigeon is crow. All parrot or crow is a possibility. All parrot or crow is a possibility. नहीं. No peacock is tiger. No peacock is tiger. नहीं. Some parrot or pigeon. Some parrot or pigeon. One and mostly juices are water. Mostly juices are water. Some juices are almond. All almond are fruit. No fruit is grapes. No almond is grapes. Some fruit are water. Some fruit are water. Some juices are not grapes. Some juices are not. No almond is grape. No almond is. Some fruit are water. Oh, only 2, 1 and 3. Only 2 don't follow. If all the digits of the given number are added within the number, then which of the following is highest? Now 15 is 869. What is the sum of the second digit? What is the sum of the second digit of the second highest number? First highest 6 and the third digit of the third lowest number. First lowest, second lowest, third lowest. 11. If the position of the second and the last digit, then how many number will be divisible by 2? If the second and last digit 1, 2, 3, 4. If the second digit of each number is dropped, then the first and the last digit enter, then which among the following will be the lowest number? Two, 4, 8. नहीं. And the second and the first digit and last digit interchange, then which of the following will be the 7, 6 वाला? अरे ये रहा. If the digit of the given number are written in ascending order within the number from the left hand, then which among the following become highest number? 6, 8, 8, 6, 9. On different days starting from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A went 3 days before E. A went 3 days before E, but not before Tuesday. But not before Tuesday. A went 3 days before E, but not before Tuesday. Only 4% went between E and F. 1, 2, 3, 4, E and F. As many person went before F as after C. As after C. Less than 2% went before C and G. E, C, A, F less than 2. Less than 2% went between C and G. C and G. D and G did not go. G and D did not go on the adjacent date. B did not go after D. B did not go after D. The B before D. Who among the following person went 2% after G? E. The one who went on Saturday. Okay. If the position of F and A are interchanged, where the position G and E are interchanged, then who among the following went immediately before E? G, K immediately before A, F. How many person went to the interview after A? 3. If the person are arranged in reverse alphabetical order from Sunday to Saturday, then how many person remain? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1. Who among the following went on Thursday? G. 8% dash lost their wicket one after another in a game. It was assumed that no person lost their wicket. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only 3% went between M and 1, 2, 3, M and Q. S lost wicket 2% before Q. Q 1, 2, 3, M. S lost the wicket 2% before Q. Both S and N lost the wicket consecutively. N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N lost the wicket 3%. N lost the wicket 3% after P. N lost the N, S, Q, N. N lost the wicket 3% after P. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N lost the wicket 3% after P. O lost the wicket immediately before E. More than 2% lost the wicket between O and L. Who among the following person lost the wicket 2% before R? O. The one who lost wicket at first. Who among the following lost the wicket after N? SLQ. Only one. Which of the following statements are true as per the given? 2% lost the wicket between N and L and NL. Nahi. R lost wicket immediately before S. Nahi. O lost first. Who among the following person lost wicket at last? Q. Which of the following position, M lost the wicket from the first. 1 2 3 4. How many letters in the word dash Thanksgiving, each of which has as many letters as between them as alphabetical English? पता नहीं है, हो गया क्या? ले लिया, देखिए कितना आता है। और बूस्टर में था ना, बूस्टर मॉक नंबर 3। ओहो, दो गलत हुआ है शायद, 2 गलत हो गया है और मेरा स्कोर बना है 48.5, जो कि ठीक ही है। ओहो, कट ऑफ 48 ही है। मैथ में बनाए थे 20, एक गलत हो गया है, 19 राइट हुआ है। रीजनिंग बनाए थे 31, एक गलत हो गया है और 30 राइट हुआ है। तो एनालिसिस में देखते परसेंटाइल कितना है। भाई परसेंटाइल तो बहुत गंदा दिखा रहा है मेरे को ये लोग। न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी में सिर्फ 38 परसेंटाइल और रीजनिंग में सिर्फ 36 परसेंटाइल। मजाक है ये। कोई बात नहीं, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं 48 में भी मेरे को 37 परसेंटाइल दिखा रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, जबकि पेपर अच्छा लेवल का ही था, इजी तो नहीं था एकदम। फिर भी ऐसा परसेंटाइल, पता नहीं। आप लोग भी दीजिए और बताइए आप लोग कैसा आया। और मेरे हिसाब से तो मेरा ठीक ही नंबर आया, पता नहीं। हो सकता है वो लोग, वो क्या बोलता है उसको, प्रीवियस पैटर्न में दिया हो, इसलिए वो लोग का वैसा आया हो। ये तो नया पैटर्न पे है ना, आप लोग भी दीजिए नया पैटर्न पे और बताइए आप लोग कितना स्कोर बन रहा है इसमें। चलिए बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।